The definition of expertise just changed. For 20 years, the rule was go deep in one domain, master your field. That's how you build credibility. That's not the winning move anymore. We're in the architecture shift. We're moving from valuing knowledge within domains to valuing architectural wisdom across domains. Architecture is the underlying structure you extract from deep experience, not what you know, not your frameworks. It's the pattern recognition from making decisions hundreds of times, the stuff you can't fully articulate but recognize instantly. A marketer who's built direct-to-consumer systems has extracted architecture, how to diagnose bottlenecks, build feedback loops, read buying psychology. That architecture works in SaaS, creator economies, consulting, anything. An artist across painting and digital media extracts architecture about composition, attention, how materials create meaning. That applies to VR, film, installation, anywhere. A scientist who's done field ecology and lab work sees patterns about complex systems that only lab researchers miss. How emergence happens, how interventions cascade. That works in epidemiology, urban planning, anywhere with interconnected systems. This shift creates opportunity for two groups. Experts who take their embodied wisdom and apply it beyond their silo, and polymaths who've gone deep in multiple spaces and see unexpected playbooks only their combination reveals. Both do the same thing, extract universal architecture from specific experience, execute it in hyper-specific ways in new contexts. Why now? AI absorbs explicit knowledge, frameworks, methodologies, best practices faster than humans. What it can't do is see architectural patterns from unexpected cross-domain combinations. It can't really extract tacit wisdom from repeated human decision-making across hundreds of cycles. That's why I built DecisionOS. Design venture architecture that blends universal principles with hyper-specific context, and strategies becoming replicable. Tactics are becoming replicable, but the design of how things are structured, the architecture of moves that work because you've seen the shape in different industries or mediums, that comes from lived experience, not really replicable yet. This is why I focus on architecture, venture design, ecosystem design. As a founder, you lean into the cross-domain architecture and let AI handle specifics. That's the play. This is about extracting deep architectural understanding from multiple domains you've worked in, or one domain applied in unexpected places. Knowledge used to be the measure. Now, what architectural wisdom have you extracted? Can you apply it beyond where you learned it? For experts, your edge is the architecture you've internalized from thousands of micro decisions. Take it elsewhere. For polymaths, your edge is seeing structural patterns across domains specialists miss. Both work, but only if you're extracting the architecture, not accumulating knowledge. If you've gone deep somewhere, you built architecture. Are you staying in the silo where you learned it, or seeing where else it applies? The people who design ventures, architect strategic moves, see unexpected patterns across mediums, industries. They're becoming the most unreplicable humans. AI can execute, but it can't see the architecture you've extracted from lived experience across contexts. Knowledge is being commoditized. Architecture is the new expertise.